Lady, what are you thinking about? Figure me out, I'm mystery, you need me around. Are you a shy girl? You must be freaky and loud. Let's make love tonight.
As a producer, I'm used to making the birds sing. We will make a smashing hit of that, I'm certain. You later, when you've had a taste of men, you change and then your appetite will never be the same again.
You're kinda cute when you smile and you cover your mouth. Not too many of your kind, and you wanna get out of your comfort zone. I wanna come alone. Can't you take it when I kiss you outside of your house?
Once upon a time, a girl demanded I do whatever she says, I can't stand it. She read 50 Shades and bought handcuffs, told me to spank it. I made it ass blush.
I wanna see you blushing. You're gonna need my loving. I wanna see you blushing. I'm gonna think of something. I wanna see you blushing. You're gonna need my loving. I wanna see you blushing. I'm gonna think of something.
I see you looking hungry, just hitting my sunglasses. Tired of your hubby not making you come faster. Late night phone calls left unanswered. He will never know what was ripping off your panties.
I'm no guitar shredder, but I'm a pickup artist. Picking up vibes, telling me you wanna get it started. I amplify that, making you really want it. Don't have to tell you I'm the best at being modest.
Ride a boat slowly alongside the riverbank. Get it wet like rafting and go on the silverback. Early in the morning with a sleep and I have to go. Like a true gentleman, I leave you a thank you note.
She said, let's go, she wanna get sexual. Must be because I'm with the best flow. In the middle of her wriggling, I told her hush. I made her giggle a little, I made her blush.
I wanna see you blushing. You're gonna need my loving. I wanna see you blushing. I'm gonna think of something. I wanna see you blushing. You're gonna need my loving. I wanna see you blushing. I'm gonna think of something.
She looking nice,
No lie,
one of a kind.
that's right.
Keeping it live,
All night she's really working.
feeling the groove.
For sure,
I make a move,
then go.
But how about you?
Man, I've been checking out her girlfriend. She's like the quiet type I'd like to try to wife. Kinda like she wanna come and slow dance. She said, you kidding me when I said I'm from Italy. After she said to me she's only looking for romance. I saw her face reddening and felt better than I ever been. And now she wanna hold hands. She wants some Marvin Gaye, some Kanye, a little bit of Twister with the slow jams. Now she wanna be bobbing R&B, looking lovely with her chicas for certain.
Feeling the groove,
For sure,
I make a move,
then go.
But how about you?
Man, I've been checking out her girlfriend.
I wanna see you blushing. You're gonna need my loving. I wanna see you blushing. I'm gonna think of something. I wanna see you blushing. You're gonna need my loving. I wanna see you blushing. I'm gonna think of something. I wanna see you blushing.
Welcome to 1850.
To be feeling me, and I'm filling you up with my artillery. Millions of seeds coming as an infantry in you.
It's time for us.